me, and then I was asked during a press briefing by a media person if I know of these plans, if you can say the word, if that is the correct word to use here, plans. So I answered. I was asked Romanov, and then I answered. I was told by two people, this is the first time I've heard of Romanov, so that is the third already. And I said, don't worry about my security. If they kill me, if I die, kapag pinatay ako, or kapag namatay ako, in the context of, don't worry about my security. So this means, pinatay ka. Diba? Kasi hindi ka naman mamamatay by heart attack in relation to your security. Diba? So, pag namatay ako, I already asked a person to take revenge against three individuals. So.
Okay, pause now. Mr. Witness, when did this event where the Vice President uttered those statements, when did that happen? If you know.
Again, Your Honor, November 26, 2024.
That is 3 days after she uttered in that November 23 press conference that she already spoke to a person, and the person said yes,
Yes,
to
Your
kill the
Honor.
president to others. Now,
Yes, Your Honor.
okay, now, Mr. Witness, what is your impression, if any, as to the emotional states of the Vice President when she confirmed that, in fact, she uttered those threats?
Objection, Your Honor. The witness is incompetent
All
to
right,
answer.
good. Your Honor, I invoke Rule 130, Section 53 of the Rules of Courts. If I may read, opinion of ordinary witnesses, general rule, not allowed. But I think if we read the exceptions, Your Honor, it says the witness may testify, however, on his impressions of the emotion, behavior, condition, or appearance of a person. Section 53, Rule 130, specifically allows the question I just posed as to his impression as to the emotional state of the Vice President when she uttered those confirmation of the threats. It's in the rules, Your Honor.
Comment, Your Honor.
Comment?
Your Honor, the rules provide that the person should be sufficiently acquainted, Your Honor.
no.
And that is not the case here, so such rule does not apply, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
Overruled. Witness may answer if he knows.
okay,
Attorney
so
Lato, kindly answer if you know.
Yes, Your Honor.
what is the emotional state of the Vice President 3 days after November 23 when she confirmed that she uttered those statements?
Yeah, again, Your Honor, when we tried to connect that in the November 23, 2024 event and the November 26, 2024 utterances, it shows na hindi ho nagbibiro yung Vice Presidente nung inatter niya yung mga utterances nung November 23. At the same time, yung pagiging furious niya, at yun nga, yung sabi ko, yung fumingly mad ng November 2023, dala pa niya hanggang doon sa November 26 kasi nireiterate po niya, Your Honor, at inadmit po niya na meron siyang kinausap na tao to take revenge.
So she admitted it again 3 days after.
Objection,
on that
Your
day.
Honor, as unanswered.
All right. Let me proceed, Your Honor, please.
Move
Now,
on, counsel.
Mr. Witness, earlier it was pointed out by the defense that now that line where the Vice President said that she spoke to a person and the person said yes to kill the President and the two others, that was just in response to a question by a certain Princess Maui. Do you
Objection,
remember
Your
that?
Honor,
Yes, Your
leading.
You're right. These are just preliminary questions. Your Honor, this is the purpose of redirect.
Let's move on. Let's move on, counsels.
yeah.
We all know what we're talking about here.
Yes.
Witness may answer.
Did you consider that statement, that fact, that it was only in response to Princess Mau's statement? If any, if at all.
Objection, leading.
Witness may answer.
Well, I don't think so, Your Honor, kasi yung utterances, yung nature ng utterances, may kinausap na ako, ma'am, huwag kang mag-alala. So, ibig sabihin, even before the questions was asked, may kinausap na ho ang Vice Presidente base dun sa utterances niya.
Again, what is the significance, if any, and if you know, and if at all, that fact to your investigation?
Well, it's very much significant because we were able to determine there is intent on the part of the Vice President. The Vice President is determined insofar as that statement is concerned. At the same time, the utterances were not product of a temporary fit of anger or spur of the moment. In other words, the utterances, the threat was real, was serious, Your Honor.